evening on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agbo. All-rounder is in the house.
I'm already seated to analyze the trending news.
All right.
As they come.
Thank you. I inherited liabilities from Buhari. Haven't removed any penny budget, Tinubu. Speaking in Abuja during meeting with governors elected under the platform of the All Progressive Congress APC, the president said no budget or penny has been removed by his government. Tinubu also said that they have to push on as a party because he inherited liabilities from the government of Muhammadu Buhari. Can leaders supporting Tinubu's presidency because he is not radical Muslim? Cleric. Some leaders of the Christian Association of Nigeria can rooted for and ensure the victory of Bola Tinubu because he is not a radical Muslim who will marginalize Christians in the country. Samuel Kwankur, former CAN National Director for Legal Services and Public Affairs, called Christians to throw their weight behind Tinubu. NLC, the strike will go as planned. The Nigerian Labour Congress, NLC, assures Nigerians that the proposed industrial action stated for Wednesday, 7th of June, will go on as planned if the situation surrounding fuel subsidy removal remains unchanged. The body made this known via a statement by its head of information and public affairs, Benson Uba. OSHIOMOLE, during an interview, says that there is no going back on the price of petroleum. Pretty unmarried female police ADC rejected by Shettima'S wife as aide. Reports on social media allege that the vice president's wife, Nana Shettima, rejects the orderly that has been assigned to her, saying that the police officer is a beautiful lady and unmarried. All-rounder. Tinubu says he inherited liabilities from the past administration.
No complaint after election. Mr. President, no complaint after election. You already knows that me that I'm talking to you, I'm a liability. Everybody in Nigeria is your liability. So for telling us that you inherited liability, that is not news. You understand? And you said that because I still remember in your speech, your first speech, that we should not pity you. So I'm not pitying you now. You should know that Nigeria is a liability already. So, and you are ready to work. Please, no complaint. Continue pushing. You are capable of doing it. That you said that you want to become the president. And we have voted you.
All-rounder. NLC says they will definitely go on strike if their demands are not met, if there's no reversal for the fuel subsidy. On Wednesday, surely they will go on strike.
NSC, how many times will I call you? I call you 3 times. Please and please, don't add to our hardship in Nigeria. You understand? Now you are NSC, you are in Nigeria since we did together. Now that you want to go on strike now, do you know that going to strike now will add to our problem in Nigeria, will add to our body in Nigeria. We don't need your strike. What we need from you is to tell the government, Tinubu, as you are removing the subsidy, it's not our problem. But what I want you and NSC to do is that, okay, as you said the refinery, what are we using the refinery for? The refinery is not working, it's not producing, it's not refined. So why are they keeping it? Paying salary every month, billions every month? So let him tell the president to sell the refinery If he said the refinery, understand? If the president said the refinery now, at least the people that bought it will be refined a fuel. So all this subsidy, wahala, subsidy remove or no remove since about 25, 27 years ago, we stopped.
To add to that,
I don't expect them then to say that we are going to, every time you say you are going to strike, you are still going to strike. Strike cannot solve the issue. What will solve the issue? You understand? Come together with the government, be on round table, discuss. You understand? NSC now advise the president, sell this refinery as it's not working. If you want to be sincere to Nigeria, sell the refinery. Let another person buy the refinery.
To add to that, Adams OSHIOMOLE says that there won't be any reversal on the price of the fuel.
You hear what OSHIOMOLE is saying? Because OSHIOMOLE is now president and Senate elect. OSHIOMOLE, who is the head of, you see what I'm saying, Nigeria? Former president of NSC, now is a senator elect now. So see what he's saying now? That no going back on the fuel increasement, removing subsidy, say no going back. Because it's now senator elect. So no going back. NSC, you see what I'm saying? Please and please, leave us as we are. We carry our cross. Don't go on strike. Your former president is now tell us that there's no going back. So if you are now, if your former NSC president is talking that no going back, and you want to go on strike, all this body will be on Nigeria. The hardship will be on Nigeria. Where two elephants fight, now grass
will suffer.
You suffer it. Please and please.
All right, thank you, MQ. Can leaders are supporting Tinubu.
They don't have option. Can leader, you don't have option. You have to support Tinubu. What I want you to understand is this. Now, we have a Yoruba president in Yoruba Southwest. We don't take religion as because we are civilized people in Nigeria, so we don't take religion as the northerner take religion.
Okay.
You understand? If you are king in where I come from, you will be all the three religion, the tradition, the Muslim, the Christian. You will reckon with them. You understand? You will be doing everything with them. You understand? If you are a king. So if you see somebody from Southwest become president or governor, we don't talk about president or because garri in the market, rice in the market, red oil in the market, they don't have religion. It's the same thing. So it's civilized. If you are not civilized, that's why you come. If you are a Muslim in Nigeria, you are not Arab. You are Nigerian. If you are Christian in Nigeria, you are not Israeli. You are Nigerian. No. So all these Muslim, Christian, Muslim, all this is wahala. Understand? Let's be civilized ones. You understand? So Tinubu is the president of Nigeria, and Tinubu doesn't concern with religious differences. No.
Right.
I trust him for that. So no worry. You don't get option. You have to support him. Yeah. Thank you.
Pretty police officer has been assigned to Shettima'S wife as her aide, and she rejected her.
Vice President wife, Ajia Nana, wetin happen now? Wetin happen? This police officer, he promised to serve Nigeria with all her strength and defend our unity. That is why the police organization, the police force, now assign this girl, Amchi, to come and be your orderly. Why are you rejecting her? Why are you blaming her for her beauty? Ajia, why are you doing this to this lady? This lady has praised God that God, oh, I thank you where they post me to be orderly to vice president's wife. Now you are denying this girl now to come and work with you. Why? Because of her beauty. It's not good, man. Please, it's not good. Because this girl wanted to serve Nigeria with all her strength and to defend her unity. Lóní yàrá rébété gbogbo boys tàwa fẹ́ra wa dé. Please, in unity, Ajia, don't reject this girl because she's beautiful. He can serve you
Okay, MKO all-rounder. Thanks for coming to the house. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agbo.